What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be, I don't even know what to call it. It's like 3 months of favorites and fails because I don't have a real reason. Maybe because I was lazy and didn't do it for the past 3 months, and then if I just did it for the past month I'd have like 2 items. So we're gonna do the past 3 months, so yeah. So the last favorites and fails I did was in March, so we got April, May, and June. Should we start with the favorites or should we start with the fails? Either way, before we get into it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little notification bell that way you're notified when I upload my new videos every Tuesday and Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And stay till the end for a very special announcement. Trust me, you're gonna want to. Here's my little fail bag. We're gonna start off with something that's new. Or I think it's new anyways. It was the Wet n Wild Lash Fibers mascara or something. First you put on like the mascara, then you put on fiber, and then you did. I've had a fiber mascara, you guys, but this just straight fibers. Like those are just little tiny itty bitty. So if you do this. No. I do not want those on my eyes, or the contact wearers. No, and it's literally, I'm just putting fuzzies on my eyes. And actually, I'm wearing it today. It really didn't do anything. So, complete fail. Sorry, Wet n Wild. Obviously, this video is not sponsored, but majority of the stuff I didn't actually go purchase myself. It came in like a subscription. It came in a subscription box or something like Ipsy or BoxyCharm or something, you know. So, I don't know where the package is, but this is J.Cat Beauty, their eyelashes. I don't know if it was the eyelashes or the glue, but ugh. I don't even know how to explain, like, they didn't stick, or they would pop off at the very like little edges, and so it could have just been the glue, but unfortunately I tried a couple. Yeah, that's garbage. This guy. So if you saw my most recent was it BoxyCharm or Ipsy, one of them, we could get this. I think actually it was a BoxyCharm, but this is actually an old one because I got this back in December. So BoxyCharm gave us a repeat. This retail value for what they say anyways is $200. I've been using it since. It's not doing anything for my lip line corrector or anything. No. So now I have another one that's going to do absolutely nothing. But I do like the bottle. So that's a plus. I'm gonna link this too. The Tarte liquid eyeshadow. I already knew I wasn't a fan of liquid eyeshadows, but this color, and I mean, it'll even, like, it looks so pretty, but it cracked and it was heavy, and then obviously I can show you, when you try and blend it out, you get just like this little sheer, and I wanted this. So you Tarte, I love you. Okay. So there's 2 of these, but that's just because they're different shades. I was trying to mix them to get a decent shade range or whatever, shade match. This Ulta Beauty, it might not be a surprise to anybody, but it is, it's one of the worst foundations I've ever tried in my life. It literally, if it didn't separate anywhere, like here or here, it was like just cakey, and I didn't even use powder, so I don't know how a liquid foundation can just, well, actually that's not, I can get cakey if you cake it on, but I definitely didn't cake it on. So you Ulta Beauty foundation, you are a fail. Sunday Riley. This didn't help anything for my blemish prone skin. I still have plenty of friends. And the smell is awful. I can't even describe. It smells like a rotten green tea bag. I don't even know if there's green tea in this. It's called Marshmallow. I mean, and I tried using that for a couple of months and it didn't do crap. And then two other things for our fail. This shouldn't be a surprise to really anybody else because it's known out there that this Tarte Hydro Sealer, Tarte C Hydro Sealer it creases instantly. So that's a fail. And then, so none of these, obviously the fails, I'm definitely not going to repurchase. Actually, this is not a repurchase one, but yeah, I wouldn't purchase those anyways. Our Laura Geller palette. And if you guys saw my Ipsy unboxing / try on, you'll know why this is a fail. There was some weird little piece of plastic or something in my palette. You can't, I mean, you could see that there was something there. Oh yeah, Kathleen Knights. So I really think I had more fails than favorites. I mean, these are kind of my like go-to during the last couple of months. We have Too Faced the Natural, what is it? Born This Way, the Natural Nudes. I love this palette. And it probably doesn't look like it. Yeah, no, it doesn't look like it. But then again, I've only used it a handful of times because I have so many palettes. But this shade, where is it? Actually, all of these. I mean, they're just so pretty. Like, I mean, they just swatched like butter, and I like them. And they seem to last well. I don't know, they're still there a little bit. They're so creamy. I don't know how to be descriptive. Bear with me. And then this I've only, like I said, I mean, oh. So this is the ColourPop. She's got Solstice palette. And this has got just some neutrals and then just some pinky color. And then our third palette, it's from Artis Couture and it's the Midnight Maven. And then I don't really use these, which I probably should, but I love the purples in this, and then that hot pink. It's just, actually we'll do this blue because it's called a Rendezvous. That purple did not swatch that well, but that was my fault. Let me redo that. See, told you it's my fault. Okay, and then lastly for just makeup, because the rest is going to be skincare, we have the Tarte Maracuja Tinted Hydrate, whatever it is. I really like this, and I am not a tinted moisturizer gal. It's very lightweight, and it does actually do a little bit of coverage. This might have been in my last favorites too, I'm not gonna lie. I just really like this stuff. But it's the Real Complexion Hyaluronic Skin Essence, and it's got 5-in-1 moisturizing, skin glowing, and skin boosting, skin balancing, skin softening. And then it's got an 11-free system, and it's free of 6 types of parabens, benzyl alcohol, color, I don't know, 8 whatever benzo something in fragrance. But it's just in essence, duh. Okay, and then lastly, for our favorites, we have two, and they're both from Revolution Skincare London. We have the Snow Mushroom Serum. I haven't used this one as much because I would use it on and off, but this one's supposed to be hydrating and skin conditioning. But then we have the 15% niacinamide. It helps blemish refining and moisturizing serum. Niacinamide is one of my favorites, but I don't know if it's because I'm trying so many other things of why my face isn't actually clearing up, so maybe the other stuff wasn't actually, I don't know. Anyways, that's gonna be it for my past 3 months favorites. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload new videos, which is every Tuesday and Saturday, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Alright, so if you made it this far, congratulations! You guys get to hear the special announcement. That is, I am hosting a giveaway. 5 lucky winners will win a little mystery box. I don't know if there's going to be a value because that's a lot of work to do. But it's definitely going to be well worth it. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is click the clickable eye or the video link down in the description box that is going to be labeled the giveaway video and follow the instructions that are in that. The giveaway will last a full week, so it'll end on Saturday, June 11th. We are not in June. It'll end on Saturday, July 11th, and the winner will be announced on that following Tuesday with my next upcoming video. Make sure you guys stay subscribed, have that little notification bell whatever, you can hit that little notification bell. Don't know how to end it from here. Oh yeah, and also stay tuned because I will be hosting even more giveaways. My next giveaway will probably be when I hit my next milestone, which, let's shoot for a little bit higher. We're going to shoot for 500 subscribers. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please, I already did all of that. Anyways, I love you guys. I'll see you in my I will see you guys in my next Tuesday video. I love you guys. Bye. I'll see you guys in my video next week. I already knew I was in a 1 p.m. That way you guys are notified. Wait, what? For my blemish, which it helps blend it. But anyways, it is probably one of your perfect, just natural. Ooh, look, I could see it. I don't know what I'm doing. No, I think it actually was weird. I don't know what I'm doing. I still don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't like this video either. I didn't like my Kathleen Lights unboxing.